Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So continuing quadratic equations class 10th exercise 10.3. So now we are moving on to the next exercise. In previous session we discussed related to exercise 10.2. In that we had used factorization method for solving the quadratic equation. So now here we are coming to the new method, that is formula method. So in between these two we have another method, completing square method, but it is not important related to exam point of view, so I am skipping it. So I am directly coming to the formula method. So now here we are solving the quadratic equation using a formula. Okay, here you don't have to derive the formula, only you have to remember the formula and you have to use that formula when solving the quadratic equation. And in your question papers also repeatedly they are going to ask you only the formula method. Okay, they'll ask you solve the given quadratic equation using quadratic formula, like that. Okay, so now if you learn this method, it's enough to attend this question. Okay, so let's continue. So before going to the exercise question, first let us know what is the formula for solving the quadratic equation. So if you come to the quadratic formula, as we all know, the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? Here if we come for the coefficient, which are the coefficient? A is the coefficient, b is the coefficient, c is the coefficient, right? Using this coefficient we have a formula called x is equal to, this is the, we want the value of x, right? So x is equal to minus b, remember minus b, plus or minus, here we have to take plus and minus together, square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula for quadratic equation, equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Look here, b we have a and c, all are the coefficient of given quadratic equation, right? So we are using the same coefficients and we formed the one quadratic formula called x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Clear? So let's continue now. So first question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Observe, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now this compare with the general equation, which is general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now comparing these two, write the values of a, b and c. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. Yes, right? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. So now let us write the formula. Using formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now let us substitute. What is minus of minus 7? Observe here, in formula only you have minus. B value is minus, so minus of minus 7 plus or minus square root of b square means minus 7 square minus 4. What is a? 2. What is c? 3 divided by 2 into 2. Okay. Now minus into minus plus or minus square root of, what is the square of 7? Including, you know that if you square the negative numbers also you will get positive only. So minus into minus plus, so 7 square it is 49 minus 4 2s are, observe here, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 divided by 2 into 2, it is 4. Okay, now let's simplify this. 7 plus or minus, remember you have to keep this plus or minus, because some will take, in one case we will take plus, in another case we will take minus, because you know that we have two roots for this, because here we are solving the quadratic. Clear? So now 49 minus 24, it is 25 divided by 4. Okay, so now if we simplify this, 7 plus or minus, what is the square root of 25? You have 5, right? 5 by 4. Now here first take plus, in second take minus. Okay, so now let us take first. Here what happens? First case is 7 plus 5 by 4. What happens? 7 plus 5 by 4. 7 plus 5 by 4, it is 12 by 4. 1s are 3s are. So here what is the value of x? See, x is equal to 3. Then what is the second case? What is the second case? 7 minus 5 by 4. So 7 minus 5 by 4, you will get 2 by 4, right? 2 by 4 means it is 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So from this you got x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 by 2. Again I am repeating, observe carefully. First compare with the general equation. Write ABC value, because for writing ABC value you will get half mark. Then if you write the formula you will get half mark. Substitution, simplification, finally for finding you will get 1 mark. So totally 2 marks you will get from this if you solve this question by formula method. Okay, so write the formula, substitute it, but here you have to take, first time you take plus, second time you take minus, because we have plus or minus. Clear? 7 plus 5 by 4, 7 minus 5 by 4. Okay, one value will get 3, here another value is 1 by 2. So this is about sub question 1. If you go for sub question 2, here if we observe and if you compare with general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus is equal to 0. So what is a value? 2, b value 1, c value minus 4. So let us write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now let us substitute minus 1. So here only the b value is plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 into a, it is 2, c it is minus 4 divided by 2 into 2. Okay, minus 1 will be as it is, plus or minus. Here you observe 1 square is 1. Okay, now here in equation you have minus, in c value is also minus. So minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 32 by 2 2s are 4. Now if we add these two, minus 1 plus or minus 1 plus 32, it is root 33 by 4. And observe, this is not the perfect square. 33 is a perfect square? No. So at the time, just you have to do, what you have to do is just use split plus and minus, that's it. Okay, first time you take x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4. Or next, x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Okay, just it is very simple. First, if it is not perfect square, keep it as it is. If you keep here also, you will get the marks if you stop here only. But there has to find the two roots. First time you take plus, second time you take minus. That's it. Okay, minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, minus 1 minus root 33 by 4, because we are writing plus or minus, right? So these are the two roots of second sub question. Question 3. So here also we have to compare with general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the a value? 4. B value it is 4 root 3 and c value it is 3. Okay, now let us take the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now let us substitute minus b, minus of 4 root 3. Okay, plus or minus 4 root 3 whole square. Observe, 4 root 3 whole square minus 4. What is a? 4. What is c? 3. Okay, divided by 2a. Okay, now let us simplify this. Minus 4 root 3 will be as it is, plus or minus. Observe here, 4 will be square. Observe here, 4 is square you will get. But 3, if you make it root 3 square, root and 3 cancels. Okay, observe here, if I take 4 root 3 whole square, 4 square it is 16. But here cancels, the 3 remains as it is. Okay, what is the value of this? 16 3s are. So if we come to the value of 16 3s are, it is 48, right? So 16 3s are, it is 48. So if we substitute here, so 48 minus, again 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are, it is 48, again 48 divided by 2 into, here also we have now substitute, no, it is 4. Okay, so here 4. Okay, change it as 4. 2 4s are, it is 8. Okay, so now observe, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. A b square means 4 square it is 16. Here root square cancels, 3 remains as it is. 16 3s are 48. Again 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So here what happens? Minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of here 0 by 8. Square root of 0, it is 0 only. Okay, square root of 0 is 0. So if we come to the value here, so here what happens, x value now, x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 only by 8. So one time you take plus 0, second time you take minus 0. Anything if you take, it gives the same answer, okay. So now if you take the first value, minus 4 root 3 plus 0 by 8. Okay, what happens? Minus 4 root 3 by 8, right? Plus 0 means the value is same. 1s are 2s are. So value becomes minus root 3 by 2. X value is, x is equal to, so minus root 3 by 2. If we come to the next value, minus 4 root 3 minus 0 by 8. Look here, plus or minus 0, right? Plus 0 minus 0. Minus 0 means you will get the same value. Minus 4 root 3 by 8. Again 1s are 2s are. Again x is, if you observe, x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3. The same value you will get. Okay. So here just compare with the general equation, write ABC value, write the formula, substitute it and observe the perfect square. Here 0 we are not, but square root of 0 is 0. First time you take plus 0, second time you take minus 0. But if you get 0, the two values will be same here. Okay. So this is about third sub question. Last sub question in question number 1. So to here, so compare with general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In the place of a we have 2, in the place of b we have 1, in the place of c we have 4. Okay, so what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, every time you write the formula for each and every question, then only you can practice that. So now let us substitute. Minus b value is 1 plus or minus b square is 1 square minus 4, you will get 4. What is a? 2. What is c? 4 divided by 2 into 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square is 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 8 is 32 by 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 31 by 4. Here if you observe minus 31 is not a real number, right? Root, if you consider negative root, it is not a real number. So here it cannot be, there is no real root for this, okay? So you can stop here because you cannot take plus minus. If it is not perfect square, you stop here, okay? So this is about, if it is negative, you are getting negative root, stop there itself, okay? X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 31 by 4, okay? And in your higher classes, you are going to learn what is the value of negative root, okay? But now, if you are getting negative root, stop this step there only, okay? So here we got x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 31 by 4. This is the value of x. So this is about sub question 4. So these are all the sub questions in question number 1 using formula method. Now let's move on to the question number 2. So as you all know, as I wrote here question number 3 because question number 1 is related to completing square method. The question 2 is related to formula, okay? But as I am not doing the completing square method, so directly I went for formula method. So I wrote question number 1 as that. So now in your textbook it is question number 3. So find the roots of the following equation. We have find the roots of the following equation. Observe here directly we don't have quadratic equation. It is in the form of reciprocal. So we have to convert this reciprocal into a quadratic equation. Then we have to solve this. If you observe this, here observe x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. X is not equal to 0. If here observe, if x is equal to 0, 1 by 0, you don't have any value for that, okay? So that's why they have given. Don't worry about this. Just you have to simplify. So now let us consider what is this? X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Okay. Now taking LCM. So every time if you are doing like this, write this, taking LCM, x into x square minus 1 by x is equal to 3. This is the question like this. Look here, x into x, if you take LCM, here it becomes x square, here x cancel, minus 1. So divided by x. Now let us cross multiply this. Let us take x to the RHS. Here it is division. If you take to the RHS, it is multiplication. So x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now let us take 3x to the LHS and rearrange this. So x square this 3x becomes minus 3x and this minus 1 remains as it is. So you got one quadratic equation. Observe, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, taking LCM. So simplify it, finally you got quadratic equation. Which is a quadratic equation we got now? X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of x here? You don't have anything. So what is the value of a here? So if you don't have anything, you have to consider it as 1. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. So now let us write the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now let us substitute now. Minus. In equation only we have minus 3. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus minus 3 whole square minus 4ac. 4ac means 4 into 1 into minus 1. Okay. So now remaining will be divided by 2 into 1. Now if we simplify this, minus into minus 3 plus 3 plus or minus, what is 3 square it is? 3 square it is 9, right? So 9. In equation only you have minus into minus. So minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 divided by 2. So finally what you got? 3 plus or minus, what is 9 plus 4? It is 13 by 2. X is equal to, so root 13 is not a perfect square. You can split this or you can stop here only. Or if you split this, what happens? X is equal to 3. First you will write plus root 13 by 2. Another value is x is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. Okay. These are the two values of x. These are the two values of x. Sub question 1 in question number 3. Let's move on to the sub question 2. Sub question 2. Here also it is in the reciprocal form. We have to convert this into a quadratic equation. So let us write. So what is that? Number 1 by x plus 4. And now, so 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So now let us take LCM for this. LCM means you will get x plus 4 into x minus 7. You have to take both. Now if we come here, x plus 4 cancels. If we multiply here, the remaining will be x minus 7. Okay. In equation only we have minus. And here if we come multiply whole this, x minus 7 cancels. Remaining will be x plus 4. Okay. Is equal to 11 by 30. Now let us multiply minus sign. X minus into plus minus x, minus into plus minus 4 divided by x plus 4, x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Now if we simplify this, let us simplify this. Here if you observe, plus x minus x cancel. Okay. The remaining minus 7 minus 4 you will get minus 11 by, let us multiply this, x into x, x square. Observe carefully. X into x, x square. X into minus 7 it is minus 7x. Plus 4 into x it is plus 4x. It is minus plus into minus 7 4s are 28 is equal to 11 by 30. In both the cases you are having same numbers, you can cancel. 11 cancels. So finally what you will get? So minus 1 by, if you simplify this, x square minus 7x plus 4x. Minus 7x plus 4x, you will get minus 7x plus 4x, you will get minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 by 30. Now let us cross multiply. What you will get if you cross multiply? So it is minus, first let us multiply. X square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. Okay, now let us take this side now, minus 30. Finally, you will get x square minus 3x minus 28 minus 30 becomes plus 30 is equal to 0. So finally, what you will get? Finally, here if you substitute x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30, minus 28 plus 30 you will get plus 2. Finally, you will get x square, observe, x square minus 3x here plus 2 is equal to 0. So finally, you got quadratic equation. Observe here, first write as it is. Observe here, first write as it is. Take LCM and multiply for each fraction. Here x plus 4 cancels. remaining will be x minus 7. X minus 7 into 1, x minus 7. Here minus will be as it is. Here x minus 7 cancels. Minus of x plus 4. If you multiply minus sign, x plus x minus x cancel. Minus 7 minus 4, it is minus 11. 11 cancels. And you have two binomial multiply together and simplify it and cross multiply. Finally, you got one quadratic equation. Now, if here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, let us write a value. A value it is 1. B value it is minus 3. C value it is 2. Now, let us write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus of minus 3 plus r minus 3 square minus 4 into ac, 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. Okay, now let us simplify this. Minus into minus plus 3 plus r minus root minus 3 whole square, it is 9, minus 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 divided by 2. Now, if you simplify this, 3 plus r minus 9 minus 8, it is 1 by 2. So, x is equal to 3 plus r minus square root of 1 is 1 by 2. Now, let us take separately now. If I take separately, first if I take x is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2. So, 3 plus 1 by 2, you will get 4 by 2. So, finally, you will get 1s are 2s are x is equal to 2. First value is 2. Now, if we take 3 minus 1 by 2, it is 2 by 2. So, cancels. Finally, you will get x is equal to 1. So, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. First 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. So, let's move on to the question number 4. Question number 4, they are related to verbal questions. So, if you come for verbal questions, first verbal question, the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age, listen carefully, the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. You all know about reciprocal. For example, if I take x, its reciprocal is 1 by x. If I take 3, reciprocal is 1 by 3, like that. Okay. So now here they are asking to find the present age of Rahman. So let us write let. So here it is in verbal. So first we have to convert this verbal statement into a quadratic equation. Then we have to solve using formula. So here let us write let Rahman's present age be x years. Okay, well, let us take x years. Next they are saying 3 years ago. So observe carefully. 3 years ago. First they are taking 3 years ago. Ago means what we will do? Minus, right? Ago means minus. So here's age will be x minus 3. Okay. Then 5 years from now. So 5 years from now. If I take 5 years from now, what happens? X plus 5. 3 years ago, x minus 3. 5 years from now, x plus 5. Now he is telling to take the reciprocal, sum of reciprocal. So reciprocal means 1 by, according to question. If I take according to question, 1 by x minus 3 plus we have to take, because that's said sum, by 1 by x plus 5 is equal to, from now is 1 by 3. So now we got 1. Now it is in a reciprocal form. We have to take LCM. We have to find the final quadratic equation. Let's just solve. So here taking LCM now, what happens? LCM is x minus 3, x plus 5. So here in first step x minus 3 cancels. Remaining will be x plus 5. Okay. So in next step what happens? X plus 5 cancels. Remaining will be x minus 3. So plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So now let us simplify this. So what happens? X plus x we get 2x plus 5 minus 2. Plus 5 minus 2 it is plus 2 divided by, now let us multiply this, x into x, x square. Okay, minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Then minus 3x, x into, it is plus 5x, and plus into minus, minus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So now if we simplify this, 2x plus 2 divided by x square minus 3x plus 5x. Minus 3x plus 5x is just plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now let us cross multiply. If you cross multiply, what happens here? So let us multiply this. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2, it is 6x plus 3 2s are 6. Observe here, anything is 1, it is same as it is. So 3 into 2x, 6x. 3 into 2, it is 6. Okay. Now let us take everything to the LHS. What happens? X square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 is equal to 0. Now if we simplify this, what we will get here? X square will be as it is. Okay. Plus 2x minus 6x. Observe. Plus 2x minus 6x. Plus 2x minus 6x will get minus 4x. Okay. Minus 4x. Minus 15 minus 6. Minus 15 minus 6 you will get minus 21. So finally you got x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. By observing this, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now let us write a, b, c value. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 21, which is very easy if you solve this. Okay. So now let us solve this. So what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now x is equal to minus b means minus of minus 4. Observe, minus of minus 4 plus r minus b square means minus 4 square. Okay, minus 4 into 1 into minus 21 divided by 2 into 1. X is equal to minus into minus plus 4 plus r minus 4 square, it is 16. Here observe, in equation you have minus, c value is minus, minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4, 21 into 4. So 21 into 4, how much you will get? 21 into 4 you will get 84. Okay, 84 by 2. So x is equal to 4 plus r minus 16 plus 84, you will get 100 by 2. Now what happens? X value 4 plus r minus 10, right? Square root of 100 is 10 by 2. Now let us take separate values here. If I take separate values, so if we compare here, if I take x is equal to 4 plus 10 by 2, what I will get? So 4 plus 10 by 2, it is 14 by 2. Here finally you will get x is equal to 7, right? Then if we take other value, x is equal to 4 minus 10 by 2. So 4 minus 10 by 2, it is minus 6 by 2, you will get x is equal to minus 3. Observe in these two cases, x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 7. Here the age cannot be negative. We won't say age is equal to minus 3, right? So finally we will take x is equal to 7. So here you can write, therefore Rahman's age is equal to 7 years. So Rahman's age is equal to 7 years. Okay, it is, observe carefully. First let Rahman's present age is x. 3 years ago means x minus 3. 5 years from now is x plus 5. So taking the reciprocal, look here, sum of the reciprocal they said. So 1 by x minus 3 plus sum 1 by x plus 5. So taking LCM and simplifying it, finally you got one quadratic equation. Write ABC value, write the formula, substitute it, and you got two values, x is equal to 7, x is equal to minus 3. Here age cannot be negative, so you are going to consider positive value. Therefore here got 7 here, so therefore Rahman's age is 7 years. So this is about question number 4. Number 5. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. Okay, as here we can't take 2 variables as if we are talking about linear equation, what we have done? So here marks in mathematics be x, marks in English be y, right? But here we can't do like that. Okay, but if here we have one, the sum of two of them, the sum is 30 here. Okay, so if I take for example the marks, if I take marks of mathematics is X, then if you want to get marks in English, if you subtract that marks from 30, you will get, right? Let us continue. So let marks in mathematics, let X, okay, then marks in English, what happens? English, so English means 30 minus X, okay, observe carefully. Marks in mathematics be X, then marks in English be 30 minus X, because the sum of these two is 30. Okay, now what they're saying, if she had got 2 marks more in mathematics, so 2 marks more in maths, 2 marks more in maths means, more means plus or minus, plus, so it becomes X plus 2, okay. Then 3 marks less in English, so 3 marks less in English, that means 30 minus X minus 3 you have to do. So what happens here? 30 minus 3, it is 27 minus X, you got like this. Now the marks is X plus 2, 27 minus X. Now what is their thing? The product of their marks would have been 210. Product means we have to multiply. To question, what we have to do? X plus 2, 27 minus X is equal to 210. X plus 2, 27 minus X is equal to 210. Now let us multiply. X into 27, it is 27X. Okay. X into minus X, it is minus X square. Plus 2 into plus 27, it is 27 into 2, it is 54. Now plus 2 into minus X, it is minus 2X is equal to 210. Now let us simplify this. So what happens? So here if I consider, so minus X square, let us write first. Here 27X minus 2X. 27X minus 2X, what happens? 25X. Now here what happens here? Plus 54 minus 210. If I take 210 to the LH finally, so minus X square plus 25X plus 54 minus 210. Plus 54 minus 210, you will get minus 156 is equal to 0. But here X square you have negative, so multiply by minus sign. So multiply by minus sign means minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, 156 is equal to 0. So finally you got one quadratic equation. So we have this one, X square minus 25X plus 156 is equal to 0. So now what is, let us compare with general equation. Ax plus c is equal to 0. So what is value of A? A is 1, B is minus 25, C is 156. Okay, 156. Now let us simplify this. So here what is the formula? X is equal to minus B plus R minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Okay, now let us write X is equal to minus of minus means minus 25 plus R minus 25 whole square, 4 into AC means 1 into 156 divided by 2 into 1. Okay. Now X is equal to minus into minus plus 25 plus R minus. What is the value of 25 square? 25 into 25, it is 625 minus 4 ones are 4, 156 into 4. If you multiply 156 into 4, 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 5s are 20 plus 2, it is what you will get. So here if you 22, right? So 22, 2 carry, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 2, it is 6. So 624 by 2. So now if you compare here, X is equal to 25. So 25 plus R minus. What is the value of this? 625 minus 624. It is 1 divided by 2. So X is equal to 25. What is the square root of 1? It is 1 only. So divided by 2. So now you got one value. Take separately now. X is equal to, first take plus, then you take minus. So 25 plus 1 by 2. What you will get? 25 plus 1 by 2. It is 26 by 2. 1s are, the 13s are, right? So X is equal to 13 you got, x is equal to 13. Then if you take minus, x is equal to 25 minus 1 by 2. So it is 24 by 2. So 1s are 12s are, x is equal to 12, right? So x is equal to 12. So observe here both are positive here. Both are positive. X is equal to 13, x is equal to 12. So now if we here we have to consider both the values. So let us consider, so 13, 12. Observe here if marks, you have to take marks in mathematics. So in mathematics is equal to 13. If I take 13, what happens to the marks in English? So marks in English, what happens? English is equal to, so 30 minus 13 is equal to what happens? 17. Observe, these are the two values. Now if you add those two, you will get 30 only. Or if we take 12, if marks in mathematics, so mathematics is equal to 12, because both the values are positive. If you are getting one negative, you can neglect one value, but you are getting both are positive, so you have to write both. If it is 12, what happens to the marks in English? So therefore marks in English is equal to 30 minus 12, you will get 18. Okay, so these are the two. So if it is 13, English will be 17. If it is 12, English will be 18. So this is what the question number 5 related to the marks. Okay, just you have to understand the verbal question and simplify them, and finally you will get the quadratic equation and solve that quadratic equation using formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is about question number 5. If you like today's class, do subscribe my channel, share with your friends and keep watching. Thank you.